Hey you guys, I hope you're doing good. I am making this video for you since we didn't have a class on Thursday, and I wanted to go over just the basics of how you're going to write your argumentative essay. Okay, I added a new file under Module 2, and it's called How to Write an Argumentative Essay. So you click on it, and I'm just going to go over it really quick so that you know what I am going to require from you in this essay. Okay, so the first thing is that you are going to use the same MLA formatting that we've been using for all of our other essays. You're going to put your page number, your name block, and you're going to be creative with your title. I don't want you to put essay 2 or argument or argumentative essay or anything like that. You have to come up with your own title. Be very creative. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to create your introduction. Please do not give me a dictionary meaning of your topic. That is really boring. I want you to give me the meaning of your topic in your own words based on what you have researched. So just tell me everything you know about the background. If you're using direct information from a specific source, you know that you have to cite it even if you're using it, phrasing it in your own words. Next, you need to explain the current situation. So let's say I'm going to use the example of the 3 strikes law, and we're going to give you first the background. We can do the history of the 3 strikes law. Why did it come into place? And then next, I'm going to explain the current situation, and I'm gonna discuss what the world is like as is in relation to your issue. So meaning, how is it right now? What is the situation with the 3 strikes law right now? And why is it important? Why is this topic important? And you can also discuss what drew you to this topic. Why did you find this topic interesting or important? Next, you can add interesting quotes from an article or a statistic or an anecdote, a little example of something. Perhaps you found a case that's, that really caught your attention, and that's why you chose this topic. You could add it here if you kind of condense it into an anecdote. And then finally, you're going to put your thesis statement at the end of your introduction. And I'm using the same colors that I did for your for the notes on how to write a thesis. Okay, and I'm going to use these colors throughout the lecture today so that you understand what I'm referring to. Okay, as you can see the different colors. Okay, so I used this thesis statement and for the 3 strikes law that we created during the last lecture. So the yellow one is the counter argument, the blue is the argument, and the green one is your 3 claims, your 3 main claims. Okay, once you give me your thesis, there's one thing that you have to remember that's very important, and not just for this essay, but for any essay that you write. Depending of the order in which you write your thesis, that is the order that you need to follow for your body paragraphs. For example, let's say that you wanted to put your counter argument at the end of the thesis statement and say something like, the 3 strikes law should remain effective because it deters crime, it reduces recidivism, and it gives justice to the victims, comma, even though some believe that it is cruel and unusual punishment. So there I switched the counter argument from the first thing here, and I put it at the end. That